those years of going to the gym.
Sound like you're doing a poo, mate.
Who wants free makeup? You get a free mascara, you get a foundation, you get a lipstick. We all love makeup. One of the biggest perks of my job is every single time I go away on holiday, I come back to this lovely sight waiting for me at my front door, and I love filming these videos where we unboxing everything, we do our first impressions, I tell you the things that I'm excited about, the things I'm not so excited about, and of course, like in all of my other unboxing videos, I'm going to be giving away a huge box of makeup to you guys as a thank you. We are slowly getting our way to 500k. So if you guys want to win some free makeup, make sure you stick until the end where I tell you guys the rules, and let's unbox some new makeup. Hey! Okay guys, let's get started with the first unboxing, and we have Miss Natasha Denona. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, Natasha Denona has been killing it with the makeup launches recently. This is the Golden collection. There's an eyeshadow palette in here. We've got a gold gloss. Ooh, gold member. She is giving glassy, she's giving sheen. Her products are actually really good quality. This is the dilemma that I get in every single time I do an unboxing. I'm like, do I keep it or do I give it away? But let me do a couple swatches for you guys. There's this shade called Carver here, and then this shade called Fizzy, and then we've got the shade called Alchemist. Who knew that you can have this many shades of gold? Oh my god, that literally went on like butter. Guys, I might have to keep this palette. Might have to be with me upstairs in my makeup room. Okay, this I am excited about though. This is a golden highlighter trio. She looks beautiful. I don't even want to swatch it because she looks so freaking stunning. I always feel like in highlighter palettes, there's always one that you're like, I'm never gonna wear that. But actually all three of these shades look so nice. This shade is in the shade Pearl. Oh, it's kind of like a wet kind of formula. The shade Sun Glow. We've got the shade Bronze. That is so pretty. I feel like this is gonna be the perfect highlighting palette for summer. And then we also have a golden shimmery gloss as well. Oh, that's so pretty. Actually, I'm gonna keep all three of these products. Sorry guys, sorry. Oh my god, this is a package from Beauty of Joseon. Beauty of Joseon has the most amazing sunscreen. They have the most amazing moisturizers. They have such a good eye cream. If you haven't tried the eye cream yet, it's literally one of my favorite eye creams. Oh, we have the Glow Rice Replenishing Milk. Actually looks really nice. Can't wait to try that. Oh, there's 2 layers in here. Oh, this is the Ground Rice and Honey Mask. I know honey is actually amazing for the skin, where it actually helps with inflammation, and also rice is like proven to brighten the skin. So rice and honey in a mask, count me in, yes please. I'm definitely going to be trying this out, and I will feature it in a video if I like it. Okay, I'm going to sit my ass down for this next one because we have a fragrance launch. One of my favorite brands is this brand called PHLUR. Do you know what? I really respect any influencer that goes out and creates their own brand. If you guys didn't know, PHLUR is actually Chriselle Lim's fragrance brand, who's a huge beauty influencer, and she's also a fellow Asian as well. This is a hair and fragrance mist in the shade Vanilla Skin. I didn't even know that they had like hair scents. Oh my god, this smells so good. This scent called Missing Person is my favorite scent of all time. Thank you so much, PHLUR. They are now available at Space NK. Let's do some ASMR. Okay, so ELEMIS has just launched a new Pro Collagen Skin Protection SPF 50. I actually have never tried an SPF from ELEMIS before. They sent over their Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which is actually one of their best-selling moisturizers. This is an SPF. I do really like the nozzle of this. It gives like a really nice application. You can really like target certain areas. Oh wow, the formula of this is actually really nice. And it doesn't have a scent. It says that it's a hydrating, silky formula that has been tested on a wide range of skin tones and types, including acne-prone skin, to ensure silky, seamless second skin protection. I'm gonna be keeping this bad boy, but I already have this one, so she's gonna be going in the giveaway. Okay, I'm gonna try to get through the big boxes because I always feel like I leave the big boxes to the end of each video, and sometimes I don't even feature them because it ends up on TikTok. Oh, okay, inside we have a package from L'Oreal. They are the official partners of the Cannes Film Festival. Oh my god, it's like a vote. Since when did L'Oreal have a makeup setting mist in an aerosol? It says that it's a 36-hour no transfer 3-second setting mist. Okay, let's give it a go. Oh, okay, I'm excited for that. I'm definitely gonna do a little review of that. I actually needed a new hairspray for my travels. Thank you so much, L'Oreal. I actually have a lot of this stuff already, so I'm gonna be giving quite a bit away. I'm thinking of Quang as I do this. Oh my god, we have another one of my favorite brands, Garnier and Maybelline. I honestly feel like the drugstore is stepping up their pussy game right now. Their stuff, honestly, especially for Maybelline, killing it right now. This is exactly the product that's killing it right now. This is what I took away with me when I went to Vegas. It comes in so handy. I actually wear the shade 34, so Maybelline, if you're watching, you know me so well. And then they also sent over a makeup mist from Garnier. This is a super UV over makeup mist, SPF 50. Oh my god, this is actually gonna be so good to bring away with me on holiday. Thank you so much, Maybelline. It's currently on sale exclusively for £16 on TikTok Shop. Oh, we have a new package from NARS. It's been a while since NARS has launched anything new, so I'm excited for this one. I feel like every time they launch something new, it's always like the same old square palette. Okay, I do love NARS. They're very classic, but how many of these palettes do we need? Do you know what I mean? This is their Some Like It Hat, the Seductive Summer Collection. Oh, okay. You have Laguna Original in here and Laguna number 4. And then this shade called Drift Away, which is actually a really nice highlighter shade. Would this be a palette that you guys would buy? Let me know down below in the comments. It is quite different that they actually added like face palettes in here with a few eyeshadow colors. These two kind of look a bit too similar for me. Maybe they could have added like a little blusher, a little deep throat in there, maybe a little bit of orgasm, but it's a nice palette. Then we have some NARS eyeshadow sticks. These are new. Okay, I'm digging that one. I'm definitely going to be keeping that. I love eyeshadow sticks. I feel like they're a really good way to do like a quick smoky eye. This is a lighter shade, a little bit more on the nudie side. I'm actually going to be keeping these and trying these out, and they actually feel really nice and creamy. Next up, we have a package from Naturium, and this is their Retinol Complex Serum. Okay, I have been loving retinol recently, guys. I kind of fall in and out of love with retinol. Sometimes I'm really on my retinol game, and then sometimes I'm out of it. The only thing is, if you don't stick to your retinol routine all the time, you go through the purging stage all the time where your skin sheds and looks like a snake, which I'm currently in that process at the moment. But I know once I exfoliate all this dead skin off, it's like, oh, the fresh baby skin is underneath and your skin is so soft and so glowy. I actually love Naturium products. They actually invest 80% of their budgets into their formula and 20% on their packaging. That's why the packaging isn't as fancy, you know, they all kind of look like the same bottle. At the end of the day, all that matters is the product inside actually works, and this is a retinol complex serum. It actually says on here 97% of people showed improvements in fine lines and wrinkles in just 4 weeks, and in 8 weeks 85% of people showed firmer looking skin. Okay, I'm definitely going to be trying this out. They're available at Space NK if you guys haven't tried them already. This right here, guys, I am so sad about this. This is what I was meant to be wearing to EDC. The package did not arrive on time. I was so gutted. This is from a brand called Easy Tiger, and just look at the packaging, guys. Doesn't this just scream EDC Festival? Look at this. This is so cool. It's like a halter neck with like these flames. It is actually a cold set as well. Blue is actually one of my favorite colors to wear, and look at this, guys. It's a short little mini skirt. Okay, we have the big guns over here. Oh, it says please handle with caution. Okay, I kind of have a hunch that I know what's inside this one, and I'm so excited. This is the ultimate PR package. I love the fact that TIRTIR is getting all the hype right now, and rightly so, because look at her. Oh, goddamn. Look, it's a mini TIRTIR cushion. This is exactly what I need before my trip, because I wanted to bring a couple TIRTIR cushions with me, but the original one, she's a little bit bulky. If you haven't seen the video where I tested out all the Korean beauty goodness, I'll leave the link up here. One of my favorite videos, and I actually talk about TIRTIR and how they're launching 30 shades. And here are the 30 shades. We need to take a moment of silence for this, okay? Because TIRTIR is the first Korean cushion brand that's actually extended their shade range to deeper complexions, guys. And guess what, guys? Guess what? TIRTIR is actually made from a Korean influencer, and this is her brand. I feel like I'm gonna have to do a whole TikTok on this, but let's do a little. Ah, it's got a little tiny little bump. Oh my god, look at that deep shade, guys. That is sick. Do a little swatch for you guys. Oh, okay, she deep. Okay, she deep. Buttery, smooth, full coverage, lasts up to 72 hours. Honestly, if you love full coverage foundations, this is the foundations you guys need to try. Okay, next we have a package from Milk Makeup. What is this? A bite block? This is a Pore Eclipse matte blur stick from Milk Makeup. Very, very different. Okay, I like the texture of this. It's very silky. Milk Makeup, they've been killing it recently in the game, guys. Like, they have been smashing it out with the launches. So excited to try that product. Next, we have Glow Recipe. Oh my god, we have another stick. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Dew Balm SPF 50. Beautiful, guys. They actually sent me 3 of them, so I'm definitely gonna be giving some away for you guys. This one actually doesn't have a scent, which is great. You know, sometimes I feel like Glow Recipe, their formulas can be a little bit too overbearing with their scents. This is like a very glowy, dewy balm. It might be a little bit too shiny for me, but I think this might be good for like the days where you just want a little. It's actually very moisturizing. I like it. Can I just say that I love that MAC is finally stepping up their pretty game, okay? They have just revamped their eyebrow pencils, and now, guys, the pencil actually winds up and down. It says that it's a 1mm brow pencil, and it's actually really nice and fine. They also have redesigned their brow gel, and look at that. Look at that spoolie, guys. And then they also sent over the MAC Stack Mascara. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the worst mascaras I've ever tried. It is so clumpy. Guys, this is one of the worst brushes. If this works for you, that means you got naturally good lashes. But me, on the other hand, I got about 3, so I'm very particular on the mascara that I use. Shufari! Oh! There is a product from Urban Decay that I have been waiting to try, and it's their new foundation. Instead, we have a new brow product from Urban Decay. Oh my god, wow, this is the Slick Brow Gel. Oh my god, I have never seen anything like that before. Very different, very unique. That one was a clear one, and this one is a tinted version. One side has a little bit more shorter bristles, and the other side is a little bit fuller. Something that I have learned is that you should always go a little bit lighter with your brow. I'm definitely going to be trying all these 3 products out, and we'll be featuring these in a TikTok video. VIEVE has also launched a setting spray. This is from my friend Jamie Genevieve. I actually feel so proud. Oh, the mist of this is so fine. It does have a fragrance to it, which is a little bit strong. It almost kind of smells like the Huda Beauty powder. It kind of has that powdery floral scent to it. Love that for Jamie. She's also launched a new sponge as well. Congratulations, girl. She's killing it in the game. And then lastly, guys, we have a finale. But this package is especially for my little baby Rolo. You have no idea how much Rolo loves toys. And look what Rare Beauty has just sent over. What is this? What is this? Guys, they have a mascara. They have little doggy toys. You want to apply some blusher? You want to apply some blusher? Let me put on some mascara on your long, beautiful lashes. Okay, guys, that is it for this unboxing video. If there's any products that I showed in this video that you guys want me to film a tutorial with or do a review with, let me know down below in the comment section. I am going to be giving away a box of goodies to you guys. So if you want to enter, then all you need to do is click the link down below in the description. I want to know, what are your beauty dilemmas, so that I'm able to make sure I film the perfect videos for you guys. You know that I am trying to make it to that 500k count, okay? We are slowly growing our little gang, so it will mean the world to me if you guys did subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
It's the Rolo tutorial. Yeah. Ah!
This is my favourite package of all. I unboxed a Rolo. That's a rare find.
Majestic creature.
You can buy him at Sephora, guys. Use discount code xThuyLe to get 100% off. Any takers? It's the last one I'll sell, guys. Time for Rolo's makeup tutorial. You want to get your happy blusher and apply it on like this. Okay, you can find the links down below. Use code ROLO123 for 20% off. Oh, pretend to be me then. Do your PR unboxing.
Hi, my name is Sweet. This is Natasha Denona. Product number 1 is a Glimmer gloss.
You ungrateful
Product 2
bitch.
is a golden highlight trio.
How dare
Next
you?
one is the Natasha Denona, the golden palette.
Influencers these days. You better stop it right now.
You'll clean it up.
Get out! You're cancelled, Quang! Scram! Cancel him! Cancel him! Cancel him! Cancel Quang! Cancel Quang! This is the aftermath of every single PR unboxing. You'll get a box! You'll get a box! The recycling man gets all the boxes! It is time to go to bed. See ya!